pigeon is known for puffing its chest up in pride. While they're not often recognized for this, pigeons have a unique ability to find their home from a distant location. They represent a feeling of safety and security that allows a positive sense of pride about who we really are. Pride is a mask that hides feelings of incompetence, low self-esteem, or unworthiness. Are you at home with yourself? Tapping into the joy of your power and talent through the pigeon pose can help you develop confidence and assurance. In this video, I'll guide you through a sequence to pigeon pose, Ekapada Rajakapotasana. So grab your yoga mat and let's do some yoga. Standing tall in Tadasana, inhale, sweep your arms up, exhale, forward fold. Step your right foot back, bringing yourself into a low lunge. Drop that right knee down to your mat. Deep breath in, sweep your arms straight up high to the sky, and give yourself a little baby back bend. Breathe. 3, 2, 1, and then gently release. Bring your palms down to your mat. Raise your left arm high to the sky. Gently drop that left palm down to the earth. Raise your right leg off the earth. Raise your arms high to the sky, transitioning into Warrior 1. Deep breath in, exhale, Warrior 2, bringing your arms out to the side. Breathe. Reverse your left palm and raise that hand high to the sky. Take your right hand behind your back and grab your left inner thigh. Deep breath in, exhale, Warrior 2. Slowly cartwheel your hands back down to the earth. Bring that left foot to the back of your mat, moving into downward facing dog. Inhale, raise your right leg high to the sky, then swing that right foot between the palms of your hand to the top of your mat. Drop that left knee down to the earth. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, raise your hands up high to the sky. Give yourself a nice little baby back bend. Drop your palms back down to the earth. And raise your right hand high to the sky. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Drop that right palm down to the earth. Tuck your left toe. Lift that left leg up off the earth. Raise your hands up high to the sky into Warrior 1. Breathe, Warrior 2. Reverse your right palm and raise your hand up high to the sky. Then bring that left hand behind your back, grabbing your right inner thigh. Deep breath in, Warrior 2. Exhale, cartwheel your hands back down to the earth. Take a deep breath in, shift your right foot back, moving into downward facing dog. Gently bringing your forearms down to your mat, into a low plank. Engage your core. Take a deep breath in. Lift your hips up, high to the sky. Moving into dolphin dog. Gently press the earth away from you. Raising your right leg high to the sky, then bring in that right knee between the palms of your hand. Your left leg is extended to the back of the mat. Your pelvis is parallel to the earth. Slowly bring yourself to your forearms and feel what this pose has to offer you. Rajakopotasana, Pigeon Pose. Gently bend your left knee, lift yourself up, and with your left hand, grab your left ankle. Breathe. Feel this moment. Release that left ankle. Place your palms back down on your mat. Tuck your left toes. Lift that left leg up off the earth. Shifting yourself back into downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. Raise your left leg high to the sky. Then bring that left knee between the palms of your hands to the top of your mat. Extend that right leg to the back of your mat. Take a deep breath in. Bend your right knee. Gently twist your body to the right side of your mat, and with your right hand, grab your right ankle. Again, feel what this pose has to offer your body. Embrace this very moment. Release. Tuck your left toes. Lift yourself up off the earth, shifting yourself back into downward facing dog. We're going to slowly transition into our Gomukhasana pose, also called cow face pose. Bending your knees, stacking your right knee over your left knee. Inhale, sweep your arms up, then cross your left arm over your right, moving into Gomukhasana, Garudasana, cow face pose, eagle pose. Twisting your body to the left, and twisting your body to the right. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale, unwind your arms, then unwind your legs. We're going to switch to the other side. Stacking your left knee over your right knee, bending your arms, bringing your right arm over your left, twisting your body to the right side of your mat. Then gently twisting your body to the left side of your mat. Bring in space between your shoulder blades. Breathe. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale. Namaste. If you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button and bell off to the right to receive notifications for new video tutorials. Thank you for watching. Namaste.